In the world of online learning, where technology bridges the gap between educators and students, two platforms stand out for their innovative approaches to e-learning: Skool and Teachable. These platforms are reshaping the landscape of digital education, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses, designed to cater to different needs with the e-learning community. In this video, we're going to explore these two giants and dive deeper into them. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Teachable, make sure to use my affiliate links down in the description of this video. If you click on my link and sign up through it, I will receive a small commission, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. Skool steps onto the online education stage with a splash, offering a fresh take on how learning management systems should work. It's like a breath of fresh air for teachers who want to bring their classrooms into the digital age without losing the essence of teaching. With Skool, educators have everything they need at their fingertips, from creating engaging courses to keeping an eye on how each student is doing. It's designed to make life easier for the tech-savvy teacher who is all about giving their students a rich learning experience. But let's be honest, if you're just starting out, the sheer number of tools and features might feel a bit like diving into the deep end. Skool is like a versatile tool for online education. It's super useful once you get the hang of it, but it might take a minute to figure out which tool does what. Teachable steps into the ring with a clear mission: to make online course creation as easy as pie. It's the kind of platform that speaks to those just dipping their toes into the world of online education, offering a guiding hand through every step of the course creation process. Teachable is like a helpful neighbor who guides you without making things seem complicated. It strips away the intimidating factor of building an online course, making it perfect for educators who might not be too tech savvy. The downside? Well, if you want to create an online environment where students can interact and share ideas freely, Teachable may not fully meet your needs. It offers a structured learning space but lacks features for casual interactions and group discussions. The showdown between Skool and Teachable isn't just about who has the flashier features. It's a deeper dive into what educators truly need to thrive in a digital environment. It's about smoothing out the rough edges of technology to create spaces where learning feels natural and engaging. On one hand, Skool wraps a whole universe of education tools in a sleek, modern package, appealing to those who dream big and want to explore the limits of what's possible. On the other hand, Teachable keeps things grounded, focusing on making sure anyone can start teaching online without feeling overwhelmed. Both platforms aim to revolutionize online learning by creating an engaging, borderless classroom environment where educators can find the right tools to realize their specific teaching goals. Let's zoom in on what sets Skool and Teachable apart, focusing on those special touches they add to the e-learning experience. Skool centers on fostering community among its users with tools designed for connection. It provides an online space where students can learn as part of an interactive group, engaging in idea exchanges and mutual support. Skool also offers structured learning paths to ensure students can easily navigate their education without confusion. Adding to its appeal, Skool incorporates gamification elements, making the achievement of educational milestones feel as rewarding as winning in a favorite video game. This approach makes learning engaging and addictive, effectively maintaining students' interest and transforming their educational journey into an exciting adventure. Teachable, on the other hand, takes a more straight-to-the-point approach, honing in on simplicity. It's like having a friendly guide in the complex world of online course creation, making things as easy as ABC. Teachable believes everyone should be able to share their knowledge online, so it focuses on removing the hurdles, making course creation a breeze. Additionally, it provides advanced analytics tools that allow you to gain insights into your students' behaviors and preferences. This information enables you to customize your courses to better align with their needs. Plus, with its flexible pricing options, Teachable ensures that whether you're just starting out or ready to scale up, there's a plan that fits just right. It's all about giving you the freedom to shape your online teaching experience without getting bogged down in complexity. Skool distinguishes itself in the e-learning space by its extensive integration capabilities with a wide range of third-party applications, including major video conferencing tools like Zoom and file sharing platforms like Google Drive, alongside seamless connections with CRM systems. This broad integration network enhances both teaching and learning experiences by facilitating a combination of productivity and connectivity. On the other hand, Teachable opts for a more selective approach to integrations, concentrating on key functionalities to simplify course creation and student management. Now, although Teachable may not offer as wide a range of integrations as Skool, it ensures that educators have access to essential tools to maintain efficient classroom operations. Now, pricing is not just about the cost, but about finding a balance between the value provided and its accessibility to users. Skool simplifies this by offering an all-in-one pricing model where a single payment provides access to all of its features, eliminating concerns about additional costs for extra features. This approach is akin to an all-you-can-eat buffet in e-learning tools and resources, making budget planning straightforward for educators. Conversely, Teachable uses a tiered pricing structure, starting with a free plan and offering more advanced features at higher tiers. This model allows educators to start small and scale up as their needs and financial capacity increase, ensuring the platform can adapt and grow with them. In the world of online learning, support is not just about answering questions. It's about building a community. Skool understands this, offering a support system that feels more like a gathering of minds. With unrestricted access to resources and a community eager to share and solve, it ensures no one feels lost in the digital shuffle. Teachable, while offering a comprehensive knowledge base, places its premium support services like live chat behind a paywall, making it a bit like a club with exclusive membership benefits. In this comparison of two platforms, Skool envisions a world where support is universally available, aiming to remove obstacles and create connections within the educational community. Skool and Teachable represent two distinct approaches to scaling in e-learning. Skool offers an all-access experience providing immediate access to all features and improvements as soon as you join. This approach supports uninterrupted growth, adapting to your needs like a magic backpack that always has the right tools for your journey. There's no concern about additional costs or new features, facilitating a smooth path for educators to expand their offerings. Teachable, with its tiered pricing, structures growth as a series of steps, each offering more features and capabilities. This model suits those who prefer a gradual progression, unlocking new tools as their requirements develop. However, it necessitates strategic planning and budgeting to move to higher tiers for access to advanced features. Teachable's model offers flexibility and allows for paced growth, but requires careful planning to ensure readiness for the next level of features. In conclusion, while both Skool and Teachable present strong offerings, Skool edges out as the superior choice for digital educators looking for a comprehensive, intuitive, and cost-effective online teaching experience. Its focus on delivering a feature-rich, scalable, and supportive e-learning environment makes it the ideal platform for educators aiming to maximize their online teaching potential. Again, if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Teachable, make sure to use my affiliate links down in the description of this video. If you sign up using my links, it won't cost you anything extra, and I will receive a small commission, which I'll be very grateful for. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Till next time.